exploring different types of HVAC dampers, components, and working principles. HVAC dampers are devices that control and regulate the flow of air within a system. There are various types of dampers used in HVAC systems. They are volume control damper, fire damper and smoke damper, pressure relief damper, ceiling radiation damper, manual balancing damper, backdraft damper, volume control damper (VCD). The components of volume control dampers include a frame, blades, and an actuator. The frame is the outer body of the damper. The blades are used to adjust the airflow, and the actuator is a motor that controls the blades. Fire damper and smoke damper. Fire and smoke dampers have similar components, including a frame and blades, but also have a thermal or smoke detector that triggers the damper to close in the event of a fire or smoke. Pressure relief damper. Pressure relief dampers have a spring-loaded blade that opens when the pressure exceeds a set limit, allowing air to escape and maintain safe pressure levels. Ceiling radiation damper. Ceiling radiation dampers are designed to protect against the spread of fire and smoke through ceiling penetrations. They have a frame, blades, and a fusible link that melts in high heat to close the damper. Manual balancing damper. Manual balancing dampers have a frame and blades, but they are manually adjusted to regulate the airflow in the system. Backdraft damper. Backdraft dampers are installed in the ductwork to prevent the backflow of air into the ventilation system. They have a simple design consisting of a flap or blade that opens to allow airflow in one direction and closes to prevent backflow. The blade is spring-loaded, and the frame is made of galvanized steel. Some backdraft dampers have a gasket around the frame to create an airtight seal when the blade is closed. When selecting dampers for an HVAC system, there are several factors to consider. Application. The type of damper should be chosen based on the application, such as commercial, residential, industrial, or fire-rated. Ductwork. The size, shape, and configuration of the ductwork should be evaluated to ensure a proper fit. Airflow requirements. The amount of air that needs to be moved through the system will help determine the size and type of damper needed. Material. Dampers come in different materials, including galvanized steel, aluminum, and stainless steel. The material chosen should be based on the application, system pressure, and corrosive environment. Pressure drop. The pressure drop across the damper affects the overall system performance. It's important to select a damper with an appropriate pressure drop that won't impede airflow too much. Leakage rating. The leakage rating of the damper determines how much air can pass through when it's closed. A higher leakage rating reduces the damper's effectiveness. Control scheme compatibility. The damper selected should be compatible with the HVAC system's control scheme to ensure proper operation and control. Thanks for watching. I hope this video useful for you. Please subscribe and press notify icon for more HVAC related videos.